Wow! Hi friends, do you have any guesses where I am? Yes, I'm at the construction site and today you and I are going to see some of construction vehicles. Let's see the construction vehicles one by one. Dump truck. Vroom, 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 beep, beep. This is called a dump truck and it's a construction vehicle and it can dump many things like sand and other things, and inside is also a driver. But do you know the amazing thing it can do? Beep, 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 beep. Vroom, 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 vroom. Bye bye, dump truck. Excavator. Beep. This is called an excavator, also known as a jigger. It can jig, 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 and jig, and it can lift its arm up like this and close it again. And also the excavator also has a driver and it's also a construction vehicle. It helps for digging the dirt to find new objects and build new houses. Bye bye excavator. Road roller. It is used to make roads, and it's also roll the cement that the cement mixer pours and makes it a nice smooth road. Inside is a driver like I told, and it's a construction vehicle and it has super strength, even greater than the mixer, and its roller can spin to make nice and very smooth roads. Bye bye roller. Cement mixer. It loads up cement and mixes it and pours it to build houses, and also it's called a cement mixer, and it also has a driver and a construction vehicle and it can spin like this, and also it can do this. Did you see that? It jumped them. Bye bye cement mixer. Front loader. It's also a construction vehicle. Inside is a driver too, like all the vehicles, and it can load and dump anything with its scooper. Like this. Vroom, 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 vroom. Beep, 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 beep. Bye bye, front loader. Snow plugger. Beep, 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 beep. It is used to clear the roads so cars can drive, and also it is a construction vehicle and has a driver inside, and its hard shovel can shovel through the snow. Okay, bye bye snow plugger. Vroom, 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 vroom. But after you finish dumping and all of us finish all our work, let's make a movie and stand in line. Sounds good to me. Me too. Count me in. I am always in for a movie. Time to dig and roll. Okay, then it's planned. After we all finish our work, then we'll do it. For now, I have to go mix more work. Let's go work now. Vroom, 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 scoop, 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 road, road, dig, 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 he, dump, 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 he, dump, roll, 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 dig, dig, dig. Now that we all finish our work, let's go form a line. Me first, cement track. What are you doing here? Surprise! What a surprise! Hi guys, I came too. Count me in, just as I told. Okay, next me. Oh, I guess I'm the last person. Okay, I'll too stand in line with the dump truck. Okay, now let's watch the movie. Cement trip on. That movie was super. Now we all go sleep. Okay, I will go to my house. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Oopsie. Me too. Nighty night, everybody. Nighty night. Nighty night. Nighty night. Monster truck night. No, don't tell like that. Anyways, nighty night. And dumpers, diggers and dumpers. Dig, dig, dig. Dump, dump, dump. Subscribe, Roshan, and don't forget to click the bell icon.